Controversy. She have tweeted today and said that after Shiv Sena came in alliance with the Congress, it seems that Shiv Sena has become a Sonia Sena. Do you think the kind of comments that she has made that she is playing in hands of the BJP now?
Already, she has already become the tool of BJP party. BJP party has simply been exploiting her popularity, and that is why she has been promoted, she has been provided all kind of security, etc., etc., so that the ruling party of Maharashtra could be embarrassed. Only this is their design, and this kind of sinister design is being played by BJP party across the nation, and we are all very much accustomed to it. बस
इसमें 5 लोगों का
अगवा हो गए।
अभी तक जो है इस पर कोई जानकारी नहीं है कि चाइनीज पीएलए कब उनको लौटाएंगे। लगभग
देखिए, शुरू में 5 अरुणाचल वासियों को अगवा करने की बात हमारे पार्टी के लोकल एमएलए नीलम साहब ने बताया। कोई सरकारी जानकारी नहीं थे, और धीरे धीरे बीजेपी के एमपी तामिरदा उन्होंने भी बताया, और चीनी सरकार इनकार करते रहे। और सबसे दिलचस्प बात यह है कि चीनी सरकार की यह व्याख्यान की अरुणाचल प्रदेश तो हमारा है, उसमें बोलने का क्या है? तो इसका मतलब अगले तारीख चीन के साथ हमारे तनाव सिर्फ लद्दाख घाटी में नहीं बल्कि ईस्टर्न सेक्टर में भी ये तनाव बढ़ने की उम्मीद है, क्योंकि आप जानते होंगे कि अरुणाचल प्रदेश को ये चीनी सरकार ने सावधान तिब्बत बताते हैं। वो कभी ये हिंदुस्तान की हिस्सा नहीं मानते, और ये हमारे 5 हिंदुस्तानियों को एब्डक्शन की अगवा करने के बाद चीनी सरकार इसको इनकार करते रहे। कल या परसों ये हमें जानकारी मिला कि पीपल्स लिबरेशन आर्मी इसको मान्यता दिए है कि हाँ, ये 5 लोग उन्हीं का हिरासत में है। तो ये सरकार की अभी जिम्मेदारी होते हैं कि सरकार चीनी सरकार से बात करे, और वो 5 अरुणाचल वासी जिनको अगवा किया गया है उनको छुड़ाने की हर संभव प्रयास करे, क्योंकि ये सरकार की जिम्मेदारी होते हैं। लेकिन सरकार अभी तक विफल रहे हैं। हर को बोले बोलो।
How does the Congress party see it? Are there questions could be asked the government? Because the Indian army said they are ready to retaliate, but we haven't got anything from the defense ministry as yet on this. What is your take on the?
See, first of all, being an Indian, we should all be proud of our brave army jawans who have been deployed across the Indo-China border to protect our country, to protect our sovereignty, territorial integrity, and that is why our army men are deserved to be praised lavishly. There is no dispute of it. But again, we are entitled to express our concern as to why Galwan incident took place. Why? China has been able for this kind of aggression. Is there any lacuna from our part? Otherwise, how? In the age of high-end surveillance, high-end intelligence mechanism, Chinese forces have been able to intrude our territory. Why? Prime Minister of India in his statement assured the nation that there had been no such intrusion and nothing has been captured by the Chinese army. While the statement of defense minister was in very much conflict with the statement made by Prime Minister. Why? Why this kind of incoherence being witnessed? That certainly needs explanation from this government. We are all very much part over the ground situation because our foreign minister has expressed it's a very serious situation. Army General described the situation very tense, certainly. Indian people are entitled to know of what has been actually occurring there. What is the ground reality prevailed across the Indo-China border. This is our right and we are entitled to ask this question to the government of India.
Sir,